రాష్ట్రపతిని కలిసిన అనంతరం రాహుల్ గాంధీ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
All party opposition parties met the president. We asked him to pass the review petition in the court. So, Tamil.
Some parties ko bolne
See, president heard everybody, their opinion, and finally, we think that he will take some immediate action on this, and some justice will be done to Dalits and Adivasis. We told them, if you take 10 years or 15 years of record, the even conviction rate is very low. Case will be done, conviction rate in this country is very low. Atrocities against Dalit, Adivasi, especially women, are increasing now. So it has been taken note of. I think the president will do some justice.
So how many parties are in support of this
delegation? See, when the attack offense against the Dalits and other depressed sections are increasing, this act, which is a deterrent to the offenders, is diluted. This will give a new impetus to the offenders. What is happening, every day the media is coming out with story on attack on the Dalits and other weaker sections. So this is not a good sign by the court, which should act when it had already suggested on certain cases about making the laws more stringent. They should not see that this law is diluted or the action taken by the police should be very mild. That is not the way to treat the offenders. So we want the president to intervene and do something which will in fact reduce the rate of crime against Dalits.
Okay, so now a woman. It is the duty of every government to make sure that it safeguards the weaker section and the vulnerable people in the society. Till now, each government, whoever it may be, has made sure that the vulnerable and these socially weaker sections are safeguarded. Today, with this Supreme Court judgment, we see that the provisions of the law have got diluted. The provisions which were made under the Prevention of Atrocities Act were quite stringent. It made the others, it deterred the people from getting into these kind of offences. In spite of that, we see that there has been a tremendous increase in the number of offences which happened against the Dalits. So there is no chance, no way that we can dilute this act, and therefore we all have made a presentation to the Honourable President that there has to be a review petition which has to be made through the government, and he seemed to be very positive about it. I represent the Nationalist Congress Party, and we all are together to make this demand reach up to the government and make sure that they file a review petition in the court. Thank you.